Boy, Chief Keef, I'm on your ass, boy. I'm looking at this picture now. I'm trying to think about what the hell he mean by bang bang. Boy, it looked like when you was in court and you got your sentence, you heard the years and you was like, you know what, I'm irritated. Okay, take me to my cell. I can see it now. You gonna be in the pen. Everybody gonna be like, rap, Chief Keef, rap to your shit. You gonna be like, okay. Everybody gonna surround him and he gonna be like, making my way downtown, walking fast. Most of the time, I'm scared for the person that's going to jail. Looking at this picture, I'm scared for this nigga cellmate. Nigga, it look like Fruity Pebbles your favorite cereal. Nigga, it look like you put sugar on everything. You look like the type of nigga, if you say nice dress, you be like, no, these is braids. Like, all right, nigga, shit. You look like if Lil Wayne and Whoopi Goldberg had a kid.